Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for always stopping by. In today's video, I want to talk about the element Earth, the jobs that is suitable for them, the businesses that is suitable for them, and the best career for them. I've made the previous videos. I talked about the water element, I talked about the fire element. So in my next video, I'll be talking about the air element. So if you've not watched my previous video where I talked about the element, because most of you are still asking me how to know your elements, please watch the previous videos. I made it sometime last year on the 4 elements, but by the time you watch it, you'll be able to understand what I'm saying, and it's going to help you a whole lot in your life. So I'll be starting with the businesses that is best for earth elements. Number 1 is the marble business. Marble, the one we use in building our houses, is very suitable for anybody that has earth as an element. Another business is tiles. You know, the tiles we put on the ground to beautify our houses is very okay for you. Then animal farming is a very good business for anybody with the element earth. So if you've been eager to, or you've been wanting to go into farming, please do well by doing that. If your element is earth, is going to favor you. Another thing is farming. Most of you don't know what to do. You have so many plots of land, you have hectares of land, you don't know the business to go in. Please, if you have the resources to go into farming and your element is earth, do good by doing that. You must prosper when you start doing that business. Another one is horticulture. Horticulture is very good for anybody with the element earth. Planting of flowers is very good for you. So if you've learned the work, or you are into it, go ahead and continue and pray. By the grace of God, you will succeed in that business. Another one is property business. Most of you that is into land agency and all that, as an earth element, you're going to do well in it. Then another thing is mining business. Most of us are into it, but because you are using the wrong element, your element is not earth, and you're not making it, while others are making it big in mining. Please, if your element is earth, go ahead and do it. It's going to favor you. Another one is trading. Anything trading is very good for you as an earth element. Then another business that is suitable for earth element is sand selling. There are people that sell sand. When you want to build a house, there are contractors that sell sand. There are people that sell sand. They sell gravel. All those things are very okay for the people with earth elements. Even mining equipment is very okay for you. Even farming equipment, there are people that sell farming equipment, is very okay for you as somebody with earth element. Even selling animal feed, the feed you use, the feeding animals like chicken, goats, pigs, all this business will be very suitable for you as somebody with earth as an element. Then for the jobs that is suitable for anybody with the element earth, you have land estates. Developers is very good for you. There are people that is into land developing. You see them, you have so many companies that whenever you want them to buy a land for you, they will do it. You want them to develop it, they will do it. People with earth element, they will do well in jobs like that. And that is why you see people, some of them are doing better than others that is into the same business. So if your element is earth, please, land and estate development, a developer is very good for you. Then another work is real estate. That's an oil well in my country now. People that is into real estate, they are making it big. They buy land when it's cheap and sell when it has appreciated. So as somebody with earth elements, if you enter into real estate, you're going to make it big. Your name will be held all over the world. That when people want to buy properties, your company will be number 1 they will recommend for that. Then another thing is contractors. There are people that is into contracts. They build roads, they build houses, things like that. If your element is earth, you will do well in that. Some people, when you want to do borehole, you have to call them to come and you just give them as contract, they will do it for you. So if you're into earth, if your element is earth, do good by doing that. You're going to make it big. Then another job that will be very good for you is to having a building firm. There are people, the only work they do is building for people. Whenever you want to build your house, you contact them, they will build your house, tell you how much it will take. They will do it for you without any stress, without you going to buy materials by yourself. They will source for the materials from the scratch to finish, and they will do a good job for you. So if your element is earth, please, this job will be very suitable for you. Another job that will be very okay for you is property managers. There are people that manages people's property. I have so many people abroad, my friends, my relatives, they have people that manages their properties. When they build, they'll build for them, they'll manage it for them, they'll put tenants, and the money they'll be the one to collect and pay into your account. They are very good at that. Your money, they will not tell stories concerning your money other than giving it to some family members that will even turn out to come and kill you. So if you're a property manager, your element is earth, congratulations, you're going to make it big. The other thing is landscaping. People that do landscaping, if your element is earth and you want to go and learn how to do landscaping, please go ahead. Or you've learned it already but you're not taking the business serious, the job serious, please do good by going back there. By the grace of God, we are going to make it. Another one is gardener. Another one is livestock manager. There are so many, but I don't want this video to be long, so go ahead and do it. You're going to prosper. Then I want to talk about the careers for earth elements. Number one on my list is environmental scientists. They are very good. Another one is zoologists. Another one is architecture. Another one is construction manager. Okay, so if you can study it in school, you're going to do well. Another one is civil engineering. It's very good for somebody with earth elements. Another one is urban and town planning course. If you can read it in school, you will do well. Another one is geography. If you study it in school as somebody with earth elements, you're going to do well. Another one is geochemists. You're going to do well. Another one is soil scientists. People that go to test the soil before you do anything on it. You will do very good if you study it as somebody with earth elements. Another one is nutritionist. Another one is food scientist. Another one is geologist. Another one is agriculture. Another one is agriculture management. Another one is laboratory technician. Another one is agriculture writer. There are people that write things about agriculture. So anything that has to do with agriculture, farming, things you do on the ground, soil management, just name it, you are going to do perfectly well in courses like that. So study them, see it as your career. You are going to go places as somebody with earth elements. Yes, if you have any question concerning what I have taught now and the previous video I made, please ask under the comment section. I will be there to attend to you. Thank you for watching the video and see you in my next one. Bye bye.